Hey guys, Abstract here, and today is something different. Today we're going to go over the latest update for VLLO, or VLLO, or whatever you want to call it. So essentially a video editing app, and the latest updates came out. It is 6.9.4. Now the reason I'm going over this is because this is my main editing app I use to edit videos like this one. And the thing is, I've got a new update, or this update just came out pretty much yesterday, and I was looking for YouTube videos about this because of new features and stuff. I wanted to know everything about it, but no one really covers this in depth. So now I'm going to start doing that from now on. And so, well, let's start off with the quick overview. So this is an editing app for, let's see, go down here. And for basically all the iOS apps, we'll go over here. So for iPad, iPhone, iPod, yeah, iPod, that's cool. And for Mac, and it seems like there's no Android. So if you have an Android phone like Samsung, you might not be able to have this specific, editing app. But so essentially, yet again, it is an editing app that you can use for text, music. It's swift. You can edit in 4K UHD or Ultra HD, and you have mosaic and everything. So it's a very good editing app, and it has 4.8 star rating. So I recommend you check it out if you are a person that edits on mobile. Now, starting off here with the features, there's some main ones here. Let's go check these out. So there's VLLO stock, the storyboard, which I haven't been able to find. I've been using it for a day now, and I haven't been able to find this feature, but also new assets, BMGs or BGMs, and some other stuff like bug fixes and stuff. But we're going to get more in depth here, so let's go over to the app. Actually, just open it from here. I just realized that. All right. So we would go and create a new movie. And here's something new, is that when you're going through all your photos and everything, you have a little arrow. So when you go to select a photo, you have an arrow to make it bigger. These companies have no excuse for this. That's my latest video. I'm going to press X. So you have these little arrows at the bottom to go and zoom in to see it bigger, which is fairly nice. That hasn't been, or this is new to the app, so that's pretty nice. So yeah, then you would go, let's say, I don't know, let's just grab my latest video here. Oh, okay, so down here you can keep adding it. You can press X to remove. That's not anything new, but something to point out. And we'll just go here. The arrow has been moved. So the arrow used to be up top, but now it's at the bottom. Oh, here it is. Here's VLLO stock up here. We'll get more depth to this later, but you have all these new different things you can add to the beginning of the videos and stuff. But first, let's go in and let's see. Process our video. So you now can pretty much title your video while you're in, like, before you make it. So essentially before then, you would have to make the project or whatever, and then go back and rename it just so you can come back and edit again. So that's one thing that's kind of tedious, but now what you can do is basically just when you go to make it to begin with, you can now put your title here. So let's just name it, let's see, abstract. Okay, I spelled that wrong, but whatever. Abstract text. Okay, well, oh well. And then you have your different options here. You have 2x1. You also have 9x16, which basically is vertical, and 16x9, which is the main one you're using. Here's a little bug I found is over here, you can't move it. So it's kind of cut off by the screen, but oh well, let's see if I can do that. Yep, still cut off by the screen. That's a little bug I found. Hopefully they fix that. Oh, okay, there we go. So yeah, there's a little bug right there. So you have to move it again for it to be in the screen. But I'll just go in 16x9. And you have different options here, fit, fill, and center, which has always been there, but a different change in the UI here. So create project, and we'll keep it moving. So there's new things, like first off here, there's new BGMs. So we'll go here to BGM. And there's new here. There's new sounds, so we'll go to fairy tale. Watch it download. Alright, so you have different noises here. So go to yearning, wait for it to download. Alright. And let's see, play. Oh, okay, hold up. There we go. So you get the idea. Oh, Apple, what's this? I immediately clicked on it because it said Apple, and I'm using an iPad, so I'm wondering what this is. Oh, okay. So yeah, you get the idea. There's new sounds with the new spring, and yeah, there you go. All right, so there's also new motion stickers for the spring. different stuff there you can use. You can put on your video. So you just tap on this one, let's say, and you'll pretty much have it there. Make it bigger, make it smaller. See there. And press play. These companies have no excuse for this. So, pretty cool little thing. New spring stuff. And we'll check frame. Also new stuff for a spring, like, theme here. So, we'll just, I don't know, click on this blue one here. As you can see there. I don't really use these too often, but you have the option here still. Press play. I mean, right at the bat, you're wondering, I'm not sure how do you use this for, but it's still there. Caption. So some new things for spring. It's just a few new, like, I don't know, colors and new text you can use. You can see there. So yeah, that's it for all the stuff on this side. There's only new BGMs and like new sticker stuff. But when we go to add, oh, here's a new button here, right here. You can now rearrange or better rearrange your different projects. Let's say, let's go out. Let's go in, chop this up a little bit. So chop it up right there. And then you can now go, sorry, trying to not hit the stand. You can now go and press this button. And you can now rearrange, as far as I've seen, you can, let's see. Should be able to rearrange your stuff here. I gotta see if I can. There you go. You can rearrange your clips better, like that, as you can see. These companies have no excuse for this. I mean, right at the bat, you're wondering, what am I talking about? Well, let's see. About the chip shortage and these Sony released. Yeah, so you get the idea. You can rearrange your different slides and everything. So also here, if you press plus, there is VLLO stock. We'll get into that now. The camera won't focus. It's pretty bright, apparently. But right here is a VLLO stock, if I can get it to focus. Right there. So you press that. And there's these new features. Let me zoom in here to be better. So do a quick zoom in. All right. So you got these new little like animations here. Like let's say click on this one. Wait for it to download, and click on it again, and then you can grab it here. So you have these new countdowns. Sony. Pretty cool. So that can be used for videos, and it hasn't been there before, which is very cool that they added all this stuff. So let's also press plus, full stock. So you have countdowns here. Let's move on to intros. So let's check out, we got a few different ones here, but let's check out this car one. Looks cool. Click on it again. Add, wait for it to load, and there you go. Cool little animation intro. I guess you could put text here. Let's try this real quick. Put some text. No. There we go. So let's put some text there. Let's say, I don't know. Welcome to Abstract, which I butchered that. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, I got it. So just something simple like this. And you could, like, I don't know, have it fade. Just press play. So you just have it fade like that. Kind of simple stuff, but it's kind of cool they added this. Let's check out some more things. So you have different animations here. You go to game. So a cool little game intro. This can be used for, like, you're making a video about, I don't know. Oh, there's Minecraft there. Make a video about, I don't know, let's say Mario. And now you have some kind of Mario, I guess, styled or old styled, retro styled intros here, which is kind of cool. Let's do this this game start here. Press again, and then we're gonna add it to the thing, and let's see what does this one look like? That's pretty cool. See, it's so cool. I mean, it's simple, but it's really cool. Let's keep it moving. And sci-fi. Bit of lag when you're switching between here. I'm not sure if that's the iPad or the app, but so sci-fi. And we'll do this. We'll do the brain one here. There's different ratio. There's 16:9, which is your standard rectangle. And there's the 9:16, which is, you know, what do you call it? Portrait. Tap it again. Or no, this one. That's right. Check this one out. Pretty cool. Oh, I know. Hold up. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's see how this looks. Wait, let's see. So like, maybe right here. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I spelled that wrong. Okay, but you get the idea. All right, let's check out some more of these, and we'll be pretty much done for all the features and everything. So background, some simple backgrounds, some animations here, as you can see. Pretty cool. And then glitter, and that's pretty much it. So pretty cool for the VLLO stock here. You can have your stuff in the camera roll. We can also add some stock images, and you can zoom in and check out. Wait for it to load here. Okay, so I just reloaded it, and you can just kind of look and see if you like the thing or not. But yeah, that's kind of all the new features. But check here with the UI. There are slight UI changes, I believe. Like if you if you tap on this like video, you can kind of switch through, like boom, boom. So you can like move. That's cool. You can move to the end, move to the end, or move to the start, move to the end, like move this through. Pretty useful. You can swipe over and you have your standard other controls. So different UI changes in VLLO stock and some other things. So that's kind of it for features. So I'll swipe up here. So when to expect the next update? Well, if you go to App Store and we'll check the version history, it seems to be that they update pretty frequently in the last few days, every day, and then back to a month. So I suggest that the next update will be coming out in probably a few days, or maybe a month or so, because it really depends on when they decide to update again. But it seems like I won't have an update for a little bit. But yeah, so that's when you expect it. In conclusion here, that's kind of the first video of the VLLO updates. I'll be pretty much keep you updated, and yeah, pretty much keep you updated on the next updates for this editing app. I suggest you picking it out, or picking it out, but I suggest you checking it out, give it a try if you're on mobile and you need something to edit with. Pretty simple, and it doesn't take that long to get used to it. But anyway, that's Abstract here, and see you guys next one. Peace. I need your